Blue, do you want to run? Do you want to run? Oh, they're so ecstatic. How cute. You want to run? Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Alrighty. Look out, ducks. Excited. Ow, don't step on me. Okay, let's go. Where they go? Yeehaw! Where they go? Run, 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 run. Hi, big girl. Run, 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 run. Blue. Ruby. Oh no, they came in contact with the neighbor dogs. Uh-oh. Hi, Blue. There's that girl. Run, 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 run. Run, 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 run. There they go. Hi, Steel. Come on, Blue. Blue. Hi, Ruby. There's always this conflict every time the neighbor dog and our dogs run into each other. Don't know if it's a territorial thing or whatever. Hi, Blue. Hi, Ruby. Hi, Blue. Hi, baby. And there's Ruby. Run, 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 run. Run, run, run. Now, where they go?